Pozdrav ljudi, danas se nalazimo u centru grada i danas ćemo da pitamo strance njihove recenzije u Beogradu. Odakle ste vi?
Ja sam iz Herceg Novog.
Koji su vaši utisci Beograda?
Pošto sam ovdje već godinu dana, u Beogradu mi se više i više sviđa. I kao baš sam i došao u Beograd zašto je veliki grad i zašto mi nudi dosta prilika.
I šta vam se trenutno najviše sviđa u Beogradu?
Volim Knez i stalno sam u Knezu, radim u Knezu, tam ljudi maure. I kao, volim zašto mogu da upoznam ljude sa svih strana svijeta i kao mogu da se povežem s raznim ljudima. I kao, to mi se najviše sviđa. Ne kao mjesto, već kao ta mogućnost koju Beograd nudi.
Da biste promenili nešto u Beogradu, šta bi to bilo?
Promijenio bih vlast.
Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
What are your reviews on Belgrade?
I love the city and the history, the culture, everything is amazing. Also the relations between Ottoman Empire and Serbia, it was very interesting for me. And as an archaeologist, I wanted to come and see it with my eyes, yeah.
And what is your favorite part of Belgrade?
I could say this street and the four trees over there, because it's about history and stuff. And also I love Nikola Tesla Museum and the other part of the city. I love the castle side, this side, and also the Betonhala side, because this is full of restaurants and fancy places. I can say this side.
And if there is anything you would like to change in Belgrade?
I loved everything.
Where are you from?
Turkey.
And what are your reviews of Belgrade?
Just tourist.
And what is your favorite part of Belgrade?
Belgrade now.
And if there's anything you would like to change in the city, what would it be?
It's hard because I think everything is regular. Everywhere is clean. Metro.
Thank you so much.